Force Commander has invited you and recognized the presence of the mission.
As we know, UNSC Security Forces says
June marka la gaaro 2,000 oo kamid ah ciidamada la dhimo marka saas
ATMIS forces
in line with ATMIS mandate and in compliance with the Somali transition plan, ATMIS is required to conduct a Somali Security Force-led tactical jointly operation as a roadmap to finally hand over security responsibilities to the Somali Security Forces. ATMIS mandate is to reduce the threat posed by Al-Shabaab, support the capacity building of integrated Somali security forces and the police forces, conduct a phased handover of security responsibilities to Somalia, and support peace and the reconciliation efforts in Somalia.
the end of the June. Thank you very much. Mr. Abdulrahman Man for a query mandate. So,
The National Defense Forces.
saldhigga afraad ama qaybta afraad waxa oo ka shaqeeya gobolada Hiiraan iyo Galguduud ka shaqeeya
SNA is well represented in our architecture of operations and all levels, including in joint planning, coordination, command and control, as well as in joint logistics and operations. Our goal is to see more secure, stable, and prosperous Somali and at peace with itself and the rest of the world.
Should come to you early to see the work of
the group claimed it is an attack staged by them.
Sector 5 is in Middle Shabelle region. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.